at the end of the day, it's business.
That's true.
Gotta run. All right. Meantime, we got to keep an eye on the forecast because we've got a 3-day weekend ahead that's calling our name for some outdoor time.
It definitely is. And temperature wise, you're probably going to want to get outside. We'll be in the mid 80s Saturday and Sunday. We will have a couple of scattered showers that we're going to be dodging over the next few days, but it's not going to be a complete washout any one day. So we even have a few of those showers on first alert radar this morning, mainly up along the Red River. We're dry in DFW, but our temperatures are heating up today and tomorrow. Both afternoons, we'll see those feels like temperatures getting to around 100 to 101 degrees. As I just talked about, we are turning cooler as we head into our Labor Day weekend, and that arrives with a front that will be here tomorrow evening. This morning, though, you'll notice we have just a few clouds across DFW, but the rain that's really up along the Red River and around the Tyler area. So don't be surprised if you get a quick splash around Gainesville over towards Van Alstyne, the Sherman area, even Bonham and Leonard. You could see a couple of these showers crossing over to the Red River as we head through the morning today. And then a few rumbles of thunder with this cluster of showers down towards the Edom and White House area, even around Tyler. But back to the west, we're looking at dry conditions right along I-35. And our temperatures, this is what feels amazing this morning. We had that front that moved through yesterday evening, and that's what also allowed our temperatures to cool off a bit. So we're sitting at 69 degrees in Denton and McKinney, 71 in Fort Worth and Dallas, and 68 in Greenville. Highs today are back in the lower 90s. We topped out at 88 on your Tuesday. Today it's going to be a little bit warmer because of this southerly breeze. It's going to draw in that warmer air and more moisture, so that's why our feels like temperatures are going to start to climb as well. But 92 for today in DFW, still some upper 80s along the Red River, Hillsborough, around Corsicana. You guys are looking at closer to 93 degrees. So our Wednesday will be a mostly dry day across the Metroplex. We'll have partly cloudy skies. We're also looking at just a very isolated shower possible this afternoon. Coverage just about 20%. So most of us not going to see any rain for today, but we are going to see some changes on your Thursday. First, we're going to see those temperatures going up. We're going to be back into the upper 90s. That's out ahead of our next front. So this is going to be our hottest day for a little while. And then you'll notice behind that front, our temperatures are really coming down. Upper 80s for Friday, mid 80s Saturday and Sunday. And then we'll start to see those temperatures climbing next week. But this means that holiday weekend is shaping up to be pretty nice. As we are looking at that front moving in tomorrow evening, it also brings that potential of an isolated strong to maybe even marginally severe storm in our northeast areas with quarter-size hail and maybe some wind gusts to around 50 to 60 miles an hour. But on First Alert Futurecast, a lot of our day is going to be dry. This particular model is bringing that front in a little bit earlier, closer to the evening drive, so that could bring some showers and storms through DFW around 5 o'clock. Other models are holding off closer to sunset. But either way, we will continue to see some of those scattered showers continuing into our Friday, especially for our areas off to the northeast. So even though we are continuing our rain chances into Saturday and Sunday, it's going to be scattered. It won't be a complete washout. You'll still have time to get out there, and then we'll see that sunshine returning for Labor Day into next Tuesday. We'll be right back.